steamed vegetarian fish, tender, flavorful, and packed with authentic taste. A healthy, delicious vegan twist on a classic dish. Savory Teochew steamed vegetarian fish, tender, juicy, and full of flavor. A healthy, low-fat dish the whole family will love. Easy to make and 100% vegan-friendly. Try it today. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Ingredients: vegetarian fish, salted vegetable, tomato, chilies, ginger, salted plum. Wash and cut chilies into small pieces. Sliced ginger. Adding ginger strips removes any fishy notes and adds a warm, aromatic kick, enhancing the savory taste of the vegan fish. You can save some shredded ginger and fry it before putting it on the steamed vegetarian fish. Slice tomato and set aside. Tomatoes add a bright, tangy sweetness to Teochew steamed vegan fish, balancing the savory flavors and creating a refreshing broth. Slice salted vegetable. Pickled mustard greens steamed with vegan fish, tangy, savory, and irresistibly appetizing. The plant-based fish soaks up all the bold flavors for a satisfying bite. Vegetarian fish can be easily purchased at vegetarian food stores or supermarkets. I bought this kind of fish in a whole piece. Since it is frozen and hard to cut into pieces, I pre-cut the portion I want to eat for each meal immediately I bought it home, so it is very convenient to cook whenever you want. Sliced vegetarian fish and set aside. Start assembling. Cover the bottom of the plate with tomato slices. Add half of the shredded salted vegetable. Arrange vegetarian fish slices on top. Add half portion of the ginger slices. Add all the remaining shredded salted vegetable. Add chilies. Omit if you don't eat spicy. Cut salted plum into small pieces. This dish has completed half of the cooking. Steam for approximately 10 minutes. Let's fry ginger slices while steaming vegetarian fish. Fried until it turned golden brown. Fried ginger set aside. Remove steamed vegetarian fish from steamer. Garnish with fried ginger. It is recommended that you drizzle a little sesame oil to make it more fragrant and delicious. Delicious steamed vegetarian fish in Teochew-style is ready to be eaten. Are you curious about what vegetarian fish is made of? Vegan fish is typically made from plant-based proteins like soy or wheat gluten seitan. sometimes combined with mushrooms, designed to mimic the texture and appearance of real fish. Common ingredients include soy fiber, konjac flour, and seaweed extracts, which create a flaky, tender texture similar to seafood. Some versions use nori or kelp seasoning to enhance an authentic oceanic umami flavor. It's cholesterol-free, low in fat, and rich in protein, making it a healthy, eco-friendly alternative for vegans and flexitarians, versatile in cooking steamed, braised, or fried. Dishes like Teochew-Style steamed vegan fish absorb sauces beautifully for a savory, satisfying bite. What are the benefits of vegetarian fish for the elderly? Senior-friendly and nutrient-dense, vegan fish offers easy-to-digest plant protein, zero cholesterol, and a soft texture ideal for aging digestive systems. Heart-healthy perks ***. Naturally low in saturated fat and sodium, especially when steamed. It supports blood pressure and cardiovascular health. Fortified with essentials ***. Some versions are enriched with calcium or B12, addressing common deficiencies in older adults. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah! I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.